Driving down the not the highway, I'm driving down the road, and all of a sudden my trailer brakes lock up on me. My freaking hairline snapped in half because of the cold. This is the rest of it. I already took off the end of it. So I crimped up this hairline up. Well, I switched these ones. So I had the blue line feeding my red, and then I crimped this up real quick, so every time I press the brakes it didn't fucking leak. And now I just got the new one I'm installing right now. I already put the old lining on that. Oh shit, I just can't hit the fucking brake today. Fucking trailer fucking stopped right in the middle of the road. Held up one lane of traffic for a little bit, but we'll get her all fixed, put her back together. This is what happens. Shit like this happens, especially in this weather. And I'm surprised at myself that I don't have an extra one of these already in the truck, because I usually do. But I'll let you know when we're done fixing this. Everything back to normal. Got them all tightened down to the right colors. Everything's connected. Lights is working. Air is working. I already tested it. We're all set. Tire back. There we go. And that's how the cookie crumbles. Sometimes you're gonna have to make these repairs on the side of the road. The weather gets to it. Gotta be ready. Oh fuck, missed that. My hands right now feel like, you know, when it gets so cold that it actually gets hot. Yeah, that's how they feel right about now. Woo, shit. But yeah, I'm out. That's all for this one. Oh shit, I got my lights still on. My Cyclops light. I'm out on this one. Stay safe, y'all.